Hello traders, Mike Hamilton for Trade Easy Way, and just looking at the weekly bar chart on the Dow, and you can see you've got the resistance overhead about 1775 area and all this support underneath us here. So I would expect a pullback to at least 460, so at least 120 points underneath this, and then we can see if we can start to penetrate there. I suspect with a quiet week on the data front as well that we may well start to flap around a bit. You can see the 8 and 20 about to cross down here, so could get some deeper penetration of those lower levels, but that's what I'm looking for on the Dow. Just looking at the Nasdaq, I mean the Nasdaq really is the sort of leader of all this. Whatever the Nasdaq does, the rest of the other indices tend to follow. And so you can see we are above this resistance. So I could see a pullback here to at least 43.60, 40 to 50 points underneath this, to see if we are going to come down. Of course, if we start closing under 44, start closing under 43.50 and so on, then we could come back down here. There is, there's a lot of resistance up there, but in the meantime, just keep buying pullbacks. So look at some currency pairs. The second half of the week was okay for the pound yen, but so obviously we had the UK budget last week, and we closed lower. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an A wave correction, and that's leaving us pretty flat. But we closed lower, so this pound has not done well. So if we come down and test 156 again, and potentially lower, and don't hold, then we could start crumbling, falling over on this B wave. But let's just see how. I think I would at least want pull back to that level there. We've actually gapped down here. On the Sunday open, we've gapped down from 150 area to not very much. Okay, minor stuff. But nonetheless, this the pound is not in great favour. Let's look at a couple of other pairs. So cable has fared a lot better. So we've had a good clear 3 weeks on this, and the 20 EMA is up there at 146. I actually think this bodes really well for the pound. I think in the coming couple of months, I think we could find our way up to 150. That's about 440 points up from where we are. So a pullback to this level here, 143.50, is looking good. So I think we could see a potential repeat of this price action here. Again, similar sort of time period to this time last year. We pushed up into the summer, and then we started selling. I think that could be what we're going to see here. So I think we could see some dips bought here and potentially push up into that area of resistance at 150, and then start to get the next leg down. So bigger picture, very big picture ahead. 1, 2, 3. This is wave 4, and with 5, the capitulation could be right down here, right down to the 140, 135 area. All right, but seeing further upside at the moment. Let's look at the euro. Euro is holding up well. Certainly, this is an area it's struggling on. We're only just keeping afloat there above these levels. Moving average is crossing down here. So again, short term, we could see a push up into 116 up there. Alright, I'm going to leave it there because I'm going to do a full review at Traders Roundtable. Look at stocks, look at some strong stock sectors and so on. So leave it there, and I will be in the room for a short period tomorrow because it's such a light week. I'm going to take it very easy and see how the week just pans out this Monday Open. Alright, thanks for joining me, and bye for now.